Hello and welcome guys and welcome to this short vlog. And yes, in this vlog I am super duper excited because I have just landed to Delhi and I am going to meet the CMA Foundation students who have got good results from our academy, yes, Bright Vision Academy. And all those students who have scored good marks have already started taking their classes. So yes, we will now bulge in their classes. We will now get into the class and let's see what are they studying, what are they doing, and what are their feelings after qualifying the examination with such good marks. So we are going to see that. We are going to meet all of them. So they are not aware that I am coming inside and I'm going to take this video with all of them. They are not aware. I'm going to give them a surprise. So let's get in and let's see how do they react on us going in, and let us congratulate them for achieving this amazing milestone, which is qualifying the examination. And yes, I will show you the class and we will go inside the class now. Okay guys, so this is a class which is actually going on, and this is our faculty of costing, Imran sir, and Imran sir is teaching really nicely. So this is our faculty. And guys, sir, good morning sir.
Sir, very good morning.
Guys, Imran sir, this is a live session going on for all the CMS Foundation students. Okay guys, so these are the victorious people, these are the victorious CMA Foundation students who are currently sitting in CMA intermediate class, and costing class is going on. Imran sir is taking the class. And guys, these are the victorious students. Yes, some of them are qualified in earlier batch as well, but most of them are qualified in this batch as well. And I'm going to introduce you to those students who have secured really amazing marks. And yes, first of all, I would like to tell all of you a big milestone achieved. CMA Foundation qualification means the kickstart to your career has already started. You've given a kickstart just like an aeroplane on starting off. It opens its engine. You have opened this engine amazingly. Yes, you have worked hard. Yes, you have worked very hard for qualifying CMA Foundation, and today I want you to clap for yourself. The clap of victory. Harder guys, harder. Yes, you have done well. Superb. You've done very well. Superb. Yes, we have achieved it. We are in CMA Intermediate. Yes, absolutely. So guys, out of this lot, I would like to first of all talk with Ayushi. Guys, Ayushi is the girl who has scored above 340 marks in CMA Foundation. But Ayushi has scored 340. Not an easy target. Not an easy target at all. She has scored 340. Ayushi, how many hours a day you used to study?
8 to 10 hours.
8 to 10 hours a day, including coaching or excluding coaching?
Including coaching. But when I prepare for जब एग्जाम शुरू होने वाले थे उससे एक महीने पहले मैंने इंक्रीज कर दिया था, 12 to 14 कर लिया था.
12 to 14 hours a day एग्जाम से पहले. Before that 8 to 10 hours is more than sufficient. That is what Ayushi says. So Ayushi, कोई स्पेशल टिप जो आप सोचते हो कि CMA फाउंडेशन के स्टूडेंट्स को ये करना चाहिए टू गेट गुड मार्क्स?
जो कोचिंग में डेली होता है ना, उसे डेली रिवाइज करें.
रिवाइज, घर जाके रिवाइज करना.
टेस्ट होता है उसके लिए अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करें, वही काफी है.
Alright, and guys, over here I would like to tell you that Ayushi has taken all the 4 coachings from Bright Vision Academy. Many congratulations Ayushi on attaining this milestone. And guys, look at Ayushi. Since past 2 weeks she has started her CMA intermediate coaching as well, because she didn't want to wait, she didn't want to waste time. So she has started her coaching of intermediate as well, and now I think she is going to achieve good marks in intermediate as well. Right Ayushi? Yes. Show me some energy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, absolutely. All the best, Ayushi. And there we have a tall, young, handsome boy who has scored really amazing marks. Guys, 94 marks in maths and stats. Chirag Patni. Chirag Patni, don't look so astonished. Why are you so scared? Chirag is a little scared because he is facing the camera. But guys, Chirag has achieved this milestone. Let me tell you his secret. His secret was each and every live session which Bright Vision Academy had conducted, he was a part of it. Each and every. He has not missed even a single live session. So he was consistent. He was hardworking. Yes, 1 month before the examination, he had stopped working and he was doing all sorts of roaming about in Nainital and going with trips with his friends and posting on social media. He was doing that. But during the examination, he was very confident and sure. So, success tip. Chirag, what success tip do you want to give?
Sir, you need to study daily.
We are not able to hear you.
say we need to study daily for at least 6 to 7 hours.
Okay.
Excluding the coaching and all.
Okay. Excluding coaching 7 to 8 hours.
6 to 7.
सजन रे झूठ मत बोल खुदा के द्वार जाना. सो चिराग के फादर से मेरी बात हुई और मुझे रियल टाइम पता है चिराग ने कितने आवर्स स्टडी करी है. सो ठीक है, मोटिवेशन के लिए बहुत अच्छा है चिराग ऐसा बोल रहा है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम कोचिंग 6 to 7 hours पढ़ा, ठीक है, बट the scores are speaking for themselves, guys. He has scored 94 marks in maths and stats, which is absolutely amazing. Moving on to Vidhi Poddar. Vidhi, what is your secret of success? And guys, Vidhi has scored 298. So anything around 300 is very very good for CMA Foundation. 298, yes.
Sir, study for 6 to 7 hours.
6-7 hours daily study. That's it. इतने में 300 आ जाएंगे पक्का. थोड़ा ज़्यादा पढ़ना पड़ेगा. कितना ज़्यादा पढ़ना पड़ेगा?
सब पेपर से पहले तो जब पेपर्स आए तब तो 12 to 14 hours और उससे पहले 6 to 7 hours.
Okay, so around papers, you have to study for 12 to 14 hours, and after papers, you have to study for around 14 hours. अगर आपको कर पाओ तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. Okay, guys, next is Nabya. Nabya, what is your score in CMA Foundation?
264 marks.
Perfect, 264 marks, guys. Again, near to 300, which is an amazing score, Nabya. Nabya, and yes, before I start her interview, Nabya has taken all the 4 subjects from Bright Vision Academy. Nabya, your success tip, how to score well in your CMA Foundation?
Sir, first of all, the only thing is that we need to be consistent. Irrespective of how many hours we study, but we need to be consistent and practice on daily basis. Especially for maths and accounts. In law, we need to remember things and फिर उससे हो जाएगा उतना करने से बस.
Perfect, great. And guys, you can see 270 marks scorer. What is your name?
Tanupriya.
Tanupriya, yes, 270 marks, guys. So Tanupriya, success story.
सर हमें डेली बेसिस पे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रिविजन करनी चाहिए. उसके बाद जो हम हमारा एमसीक्यू बेस्ड टेस्ट है तो उसके लिए हमें एमसीक्यू टेस्ट देने चाहिए. और सर जब हमारा टेस्ट हो जाता है तो उसके बाद जो क्वेश्चन हमने गलत किए हैं उसको हमें रिवाइज भी करना चाहिए और एग्जाम से पहले एक बार ज़रूर देखना चाहिए.
Perfect. Now I'll move on to one more student, and guys, he has scored 270 marks. 270 marks in CMA Foundation. Awesome. First of all, congratulations. Okay, your success tips. क्या करना चाहिए? कितने घंटे पढ़ना चाहिए?
Sir, we need to consistently. We need to study daily 8 to 10 hours. Sir, regular basis पर हमें रिवीजन करना चाहिए. सर कंसिस्टेंसी बहुत ज़रूरी है इसके लिए और डेली बेसिस पर रिवीजन बहुत ज़रूरी है. प्रैक्टिस करनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. सर ऑल ऑफ 4 बैचेस ब्राइट विजन एकेडमी के जो हमें कोचिंग्स दी हैं ये सर बहुत ही बढ़िया मतलब.
Superb, an amazing tip coming from this guy, guys. Consistency is the key. Consistency रखनी पड़ेगी, रोज पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी, and only then can you attain success. So yes, these are our one of few of the meritorious students which we have in this batch, and I'll be introducing you to more such meritorious students shortly. और इमरान सर से पूछना चाहूँगा, सर कितने खुश हैं आप? इतना अमेजिंग रिजल्ट अकाउंट्स का आया है.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुश हूँ मैं, और मैं चाहता हूँ इंटरमीडिएट में भी इन बच्चों को बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट आए और फाइनल तक ये बहुत ही फ्लाइंग कलर से पास होकर जाए, हमेशा हमें याद रखें. बेस्ट ऑफ लक गाइस जो लोग अब इंटरमीडिएट में आ रहे हैं.
परफेक्ट. सर क्या मतलब अभी तो रिजल्ट भी नहीं आया था, एंड यू हैव स्टार्टेड कोचिंग ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट कॉस्टिंग. क्या सोचे थे ये सारे बच्चे पास हो जाएंगे अपने आप?
बिल्कुल. हमने फाउंडेशन में बहुत मेहनत की और साथ में जब हमने बच्चों की एफर्ट्स देखी तो उससे बिल्कुल फील हो गया था कि कोचिंग और रिजल्ट का वेट करना तो वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम है. तो इसलिए पहले स्टार्ट कर देना चाहिए क्योंकि रिजल्ट तो हमें पता ही था, वेट करना तो फॉर्मेलिटी थी.
तो क्या आप सबको भी अपना रिजल्ट पहले से ही पता था? Yes. So can we have 3 cheers for Bright Vision Academy? Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Perfect. And yes, if you want to join this victorious batch, if you want to join this victory, if you want to join this amazing milestone which we all of us are going to achieve in next 1 year, which is qualifying CMA Intermediate in first attempt, guys, start studying right now. Do not wait for anything. Yes, CMA Foundation results are out. You have partied a lot now. You have employed your time in partying, etc. But do not wait now. Start coachings, start studying wherever you are taking coaching, wherever you are studying. Bright Vision Academy is always open for you. You can start the live batch. Live batch is currently going on, but you'll face no problem. Our teachers are there to give you backup video lectures, everything. Start it ASAP, because yes, we want to clear our intermediate also in first attempt. Do you want to clear intermediate in first attempt? Yes, absolutely. All the very best and happy studying.